Okay.
I love princesses, I love princesses. They spin around and they do something, and they pick up the dress, and they like to. And Cinderella does that every time she wants, and they see her underwear.
No.
And she sees her underwear, and she bonks her head and turns it in a bunch of. Hey, you have to take a picture.
I am. I'm taking a video.
And take a bunch of and pop them into a bunch of flowers. Is that funny?
No.
Yes, it is.
Okay. Hey.
I'm gonna steal.
What about your school song?
No.
You don't remember how that one goes?
Yeah.
Stand over here so I can see you.
I don't wanna go to school. I don't wanna go to school. I don't wanna go to school. Do all dance. Now take a picture.
Well done. Okay, I'll take a picture.